Very good morning once again to my dear students of Standard 8. I hope you are ready with the drawing and the outline with a black microtip pen. Now you can see the coloring of it where every small part is being shown with shade and light. Right from the beard of the Santa Claus to the gift part. The lettering also is shown light and dark shade. This is the decoration which is on for the table which is done around. Now maximum part is done. See the Christmas tree, how different shades are being used, light and dark shade. As you can see in this color box, how the colors are arranged from a lighter shade to the darker shade. This is how you arrange the colors so that you can pick up the colors as and when you require. Otherwise you need to search, where is my light color, where is my dark color, where is my yellow. So all the yellows, all the orange, red put together, the blues, the greens, the brown, the violet, white, black, grey, they are all put in a group. So it's easy to pick up. So this is the way you arrange your colors in the box. So now the maximum coloring is done. Keep in mind children, you don't have to leave any white space. Even this background has to be colored. Now I'll show you this gift which has to be colored with colorful shades in between. I've left it white. Okay. So I'll take another darker shade. Then this is red color. Then I will use little dark blue. This is all the decoration which I am showing you, which is left to be shown. Then I use little violet color. Hold your paper when you are doing. Keep it firm, otherwise it will shake. Now I had colors in my hand and that is why the drawing was shifting. So I use another dark shade of green, which is here. This is all the coloring. Okay. Now you can see those balls. I'm not going to show every ball. For example, supposing I show orange. I use orange in between. And then I use a darker shade of orange. I can use white also to show a little lighter shade. Little lighter shade. Then I use somewhere green. With that green I use little dark green. So these are all the colorful balls which I am showing you. Little yellow. With the yellow I'll use little dark orange yellow. So let this balls be little colorful. There also you need to show light and shade. Supposing green I have already used in one place here, I can repeat. Not necessary you have to color it once and leave it. You can repeat those. These are the decoration for your Christmas. Colorful bulbs or colorful balls, you can say anything it could be. Yes, in this way I'm not showing everything. The same thing can be done over here. This is a slight decoration you can show. As you can see, the bow can be some other different color. There are balls over here, there are gifts over there. So all that small things you have to keep in mind that you need to color it. Let it be colorful, let it be beautiful, attractive. Now I'm doing it fast. You don't have to do it fast. Take your own sweet time to complete your work. Now the star which you see on the top of the tree needs to be little yellow orange color. It is light. So to show the light, you need to use orange color in this way. Now the gift which you see, I am not shown all the colorful balls. If you get time, I'll show you. Now the gift can be with different colors. This is a purple color I've used. I'm using little darker shade. These are all the gifts which are kept on the table. Then this is the stick which has to be red color. There is another gift there which I will show green or red color. Green I'll show. The top part can be little darker shade of green. Okay, then I'll show that bow with little red color. When you show opposite colors, here I have explained you the opposite color scheme, complementary color scheme. So when you have complementary color red and green, the work looks more attractive. I can show little decoration on it, like the strips which are running through. This is the colorful paper. Then there is one more over here which can be a yellow. I'm not showing because your backdrop is yellow, so it could be some other blue color. Let us take light blue and dark blue shade. Okay, the bow I will show little blue shade. In this manner. And there is one more over here which I'll show. Again blue, dark blue, light blue. Alternate I will show. You get beautiful gift wrapping papers. You might have seen the different gift wrapping papers, such beautiful colors. You get those gift wrapping papers. So this completes the work. I will complete this also. See how attractive it looks when it is little colorful. Yes? Okay. In this manner, children, you have to complete your work. Only thing is that you have to be little careful when you're coloring this white portion. Afterwards you need to be filling it up wherever white is left, so that does not disturb your picture at all. In this way, children, you have to complete your work. See, this is the way you have to complete your work. Drawing and coloring has to be completed and it should be neat and clean. After this assignment, children, after you finish with the coloring video, you have to keep your potato vegetable ready. When I say potato, it is a vegetable, natural vegetable. Don't bring anything artificial. Potato vegetable, because our next assignment after this color video will be print making. So you have to bring one big size potato, watercolors or poster colors with your other material, that is water, cloth duster, then your brush, etc. with a knife, a small knife, not a very big knife, to cut the vegetable, to cut the potato. Is that clear? So after the color video, not the pencil video, the color video, you have to keep your potato ready. Only potato, no other vegetable. Only potato. Is that clear to you all? Yes. Thank you and God bless you.